Hello everyone, welcome to Dishaday channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make paneer butter masala at home. The ingredients we need are paneer, onions, tomato, whole garam, garlic, ginger, coriander leaf, fresh cream, garam masala, cashew, chilli powder, sugar, kasuri methi, salt, oil, butter and water. Now in a pan, let's add 3 teaspoons of butter and half a teaspoon of oil into it. Once the butter melts, let's add the chopped onions into it. Stir it well and wait until it's cooked. After it gets cooked, let's add the ginger and garlic cloves into the mixture. Now, let's add some cashews and stir them for a while. Once it is done, let's add the chopped tomatoes into the mixture. Close the lid and wait until it gets cooked. Once it is done, let's keep the mixture aside to cool down. Meanwhile, let's fry the paneer. Add 3 teaspoons of butter and half a teaspoon of oil into a pan. Once the butter melts, let's start adding the paneer and fry them. Fry them until they become golden brown in color. Once it is done, keep them aside. Now the tomatoes and onions have cooled down. Let's make them into a paste. In a kadai, let's add 4 teaspoons of butter and half a teaspoon of oil into it. Once the butter melts, let's add the whole garam into it. Fry them all for a while. The main thing in this recipe is the whole ingredients should have been soaked in butter well. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger into the butter. Fry them all for a while. For the next ingredient to add, let's slow down the flame. Once it is done, let's add half a teaspoon of garam masala and 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder to the butter. Stir it all for a while. Once it is done, let's add the ground paste into the mixture. Stir them well and thoroughly. Now, let's close the lid and wait until the mixture oozes out some oil. Once it is done, let's add some water to the mixture for a gravy consistency. Now let's add some salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of fresh cream into the mixture. Stir it well until it gets dissolved completely. Once it's all done, let's add the paneer into the mixture. Now wait until the paneer gets soaked completely. Once it is done, let's add 2 to 3 pinches of garam masala into the gravy and stir well. Then let's add 2 pinches of kasuri methi into the mixture. At last, garnish it with some coriander leaves. For the final touch, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream and 1 teaspoon of butter into the gravy. Once it is done, serve it hot and enjoy. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.